Hello everyone, welcome back to Physics Fact with a new interesting topic. How rainbow is formed. The formation of rainbow is a natural phenomena. Here what happened? That sun ray, the source of white light, split into different colors. Likewise, in prism, when white light is incident on it or passes through it, it also split in different colors. Now students, here we discuss why splitting occur. Okay, this is occur due to refraction of light. So we go to the topic, that refraction of light through prism. Now first, here we discuss that what is prism. Okay, in prism, when white light passes through it, it split into 7 different colors, and that 7 different colors is known as spectrum of light. Known as spectrum of light. Now, what is prism? Prism is a portion of transparent refracting medium bounded by two plane refracting surface. You saw in diagram, also in picture, that two plane refracting surface inclined with each other, like one face, that is A, B, E, G, one refracting surface, A, C, F, G, another refracting surface. This one is one refracting surface. A, C, F, G. This one is the second refracting surface, which you see in the picture also. The two refracting surface inclined with each other. It makes some angle. That angle is known as angle of region. Here, this angle is known as angle of prism. Line AG is called refracting edge. Here, this line. Okay, this line AG is called a refracting edge. Take a small principal section of prism. That means we cut the refracting edge perpendicularly. We cut the refracting edge perpendicularly like this. Okay, we cut this and take the principal section. This means section A, B, C, like here. Okay, and consider a incident ray PQ. Consider an incident ray PQ. Here what happened? The ray passes from a rarer medium to denser medium. This one is the denser medium. So here ray passes from rarer medium to denser medium. We know the student, when ray passes from rarer medium to denser medium, it bent towards the normal. So at point Q, for the first refracting surface, we first draw normal and draw the refracted ray. Normal, and this one is the refracted ray. Here actual path, this one is the actual path of the incident ray. But as it passes from rarer to denser medium, it bent. That means the ray is bent like this. Okay, so here this one is the refracted ray. You clear, students? This one is the refracted ray. Take as this point, take as R. Also, you draw normal at point R for the second refracting surface. At this point also we draw normal. Here this one is the actual path of this refracted ray. But as it passes from denser to rarer medium, it went away from the normal. So here this one is the emergent ray. Take as RS. RS is the emergent ray. You clear, student? Okay. PQ is the incident ray. QR is the refracted ray for the first refracting surface, but the QR is the incident ray for the second refracting surface, and RS is the emergent ray. Now, for first refracting surface, this is the normal N1 and this is the normal N2. So here The angle between incident ray to normal. This one is angle of incident I. This is the refracted ray and normal. So this is take as angle of refraction R1. Now for the second refracting surface, the angle between this incident ray and normal. This angle is the angle of incident. Yes, because the refracted ray act like incident ray. For second refracting surface, take as this angle R2. Okay, and this is the emergent ray, the angle between normal to emergent ray. This angle is the emergence angle. Take as I1. Or you take as I prime. Whatever you take, I1 or I prime. Here I is the angle of incident and I prime is the angle of emergence. Okay. Here the two normal N1 and N2 meet at one point. Take that point N. So here you see that A, Q and R. In this quadrilateral, the opposite triangle, angle A and angle N, that is angle Q and R, this angle. Okay, these two opposite angle is equals to 180 degree. So angle A plus angle Q and R is equals to 180 degree. And in triangle Q and R, in triangle Q and R, this one. Okay, angle NQR plus angle QRN plus angle QNR, that is equals to 180 degree. We know that the sum of three angle is equals to 180 degree. That means the two equation is equal to each other. Okay, so from equation 1 and 2, angle A plus angle QNR is equals to angle NQR. That means angle R1 plus angle QRN, that means angle R2 plus angle QNR. You put here that QNR cancel to each other. So we got angle A is equals to angle R1 plus angle R2. Okay. If we draw the diagram, this one is the actual path of the incident ray. This one is the actual path of the incident ray. Okay. But here the emergent ray is deviated from this incident ray. This one. That means here deviation occur. This one. Here deviation occur and this angle is known as deviation angle delta. This angle is known as deviation angle. You clear, student? This angle is known as deviation angle. Now, what is the value of this deviation angle? Okay, the value of this deviation angle, take as this point M. Okay, so what is angle delta? In triangle MQR, angle delta is equals to MQR plus MRQ. Angle MQR plus angle MRQ. Okay, next. Here, this angle is equals to this angle. Also, this angle is equals to this angle because of these two are the opposite angle. So, this angle is equals to this angle. Dear student, next, what is MQR? That MQR, this angle. Okay, this one is total I, this total minus this one. This total minus this one. That means I minus R1. This angle I minus angle R1 plus MRQ. This total minus R2. I prime minus R2. Okay. Simplify this one. Angle I plus angle I prime minus angle R1 plus angle R2. Okay. So angle delta equals to angle I plus angle I prime minus R1 plus R2, that is angle A. Okay, student? That means here we got that angle delta is equals to I plus I prime minus A. That means here we got two equations. One is angle A is equals to angle R1 plus angle R2. Another equation, that is angle delta is equals to angle I plus angle I prime minus angle A. That means here the angle of deviation is equals to angle of incidence plus angle of emergence minus angle of prism. Okay, you remember this equation, student, that angle of deviation is equals to angle I plus angle I prime minus A, angle of incidence plus angle of emergence minus angle of prism. From this equation, we also got that angle delta plus angle A is equals to angle I plus angle I prime. Okay. Next, we discuss for thin prism, what is the relation between angle of deviation and angle of region, and if deviation is very less, that means for minimum deviation,